This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 210QSS is a Class C RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, water heater, stovetop burner, air conditioning, microwave, and 41 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features rear bedroom. This 2025 Coachmen Leprechaun 210QSS is built on a Ford E350 chassis and is powered by a Ford engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.